Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand that you cannot send money directly from Zelle to Cash App, as they are separate platforms. Instead, we will use the bank account that you have linked to your Zelle account as a bridge to transfer the funds. The entire process happens within the Cash App mobile application on your phone. Begin by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. On the app's homepage, look for and tap on your profile icon, which is located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your profile settings menu. Now, scroll down through the list of options. You are looking for a section titled Linked Banks. Go ahead and tap on that. After the page loads, you will see an option for Linked Debit Card. We are not going to use that for this method. Instead, you need to find and select the option that says Link Bank Account. You will then see an information page explaining the process. Read it if you like, and then tap the Continue button. The next screen will present a list of many supported banks. Here is the crucial step. You must find and select the specific bank that is connected to your Zelle account. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you tap on your bank, you will be prompted to log in using your online banking username and password. This securely verifies and links your bank account to Cash App. After a successful login, your bank will be linked. Now, return to the Cash App homepage. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the icon that looks like a bank or building. This takes you to the Money tab. Here, you will see an option that says Add Money. Tap on it. A menu will appear from the bottom of your screen with some preset amount options. If the amount you want to transfer from your Zelle-linked bank account is not listed, tap on the three dots to enter a custom amount. Type in the specific dollar amount you wish to add to your Cash App balance. Then tap Continue and follow any final on-screen prompts to complete the transfer. The funds from your bank account, which is the same account you use with Zelle, will now be deposited into your Cash App account. And that is how you move your money.